morning, dear children. Welcome for the one online education. Myself, Ayushi Shashikant Gaikwad from Dharavi TC Municipal English School number 1. Okay, before starting our lecture today, we'll some have thought for the day. One child, one teacher, one pen, and one book can change the world. One child, one teacher, one pen, and one book can change the world. Okay, before starting the lesson, can you tell me what you can see in the picture?
A mother and a baby.
Mother
Only
and
one mother.
only one mother. So from the top, from your textbook, there is a poem called Only One Mother.
One mother.
So we will see that poem today. We'll learn that poem today. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Very nice. It is on page number 51.
And lesson poem number 20.
Poem number 20 and on page number 51.
Yes.
Sorry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now this poem is written by George Cooper. Whom it is written by?
George Cooper.
George Cooper.
American poet.
He is an American poet born in the city in New York. Yeah. Who is George Cooper? He is the
American
writer
poet.
of this poem, Only One Mother. George Cooper, American poet born in the city of New York. Okay, now we'll see the poem. Okay.
Yes.
Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. There are hundreds of stars
in the pretty sky.
Pretty sky. The sky is pretty, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Akash. Sky. Stars, you know, na? What are stars?
Yes, ma'am. That we see in night.
Stars are seen in the
twinkling
night.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Yeah, very good. 100 of stars in the pretty sky.
100 of shell on the shore together.
Hundreds of shells on the shore together. Shore means what?
Oh, ma'am, जो water का रहते
The
हैं ना
place
shore.
near the place near the sea. The place near the sea. Nearby the sea. Yeah, shells. You can see the shells on the shore here, right? In the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Hundreds of shells on the shore together. When we go, we can see many shells, right? On the shore.
Juhu Beach.
Yeah, very good. On the beach side, you can see the shore. On that shore, there are many shells. 100 of shells on the shore.
The shore together.
Next one is 100 of
birds that go singing by.
So where the birds are singing by? In the sky, right? They go singing by. 100 of birds that go singing
जब हम लोग
by.
एक साथ जाते आसमान में तो हम लोग सिंग करके जाते हम लोग एक वो बना लेते टीम बना लेते हम लोग.
Yes. You can see many birds in the sky flying.
Yes, teacher.
100 of lamps in the sunny weather. 100 of lamps.
Yes, ma'am. जो sheep के बच्चे होते हैं ना, sheep के बच्चे.
Sheep के बच्चे, very good. 100 of lamps in the sunny
weather.
100 of dewdrops to greet the dawn. Now, what is the meaning of the dewdrops? The drops of water
जो मैम सुबह सुबह उठते हैं तो पत्ते पे एकदम छोटे छोटे ड्रॉप बने रहते हैं तो उसको हम लोग ड्यू ड्रॉप बोलते हैं.
Yes, very good. Dewdrops are the water formed from the moisture in the air. Air के moisture से वो बनता है. Which settle very tiny. Yes. The leaves and plants early in the morning. Now what is dawn? The time immediately before sunrise. जब सन आता है उससे पहले जो अंधेरा छाता है उसे dawn कहते हैं.
Yes.
The time immediately before sunrise is called dawn. D-A-W-N.
Dawn.
What are dewdrops? The drops of water formed from the moisture
in the air
which settle on the leaves and plants early in the morning. And what is dawn? The time immediately before sunrise. Okay, now can anybody read the screen? What is the meaning of dewdrop?
From the moisture in the air which settle on the leaves and plants early in the morning.
What is dawn? Read that.
The time immediately before sunrise.
Okay, the time immediately before sunrise. Yeah. जिसे हम ओस की बूंद कहते हैं हिंदी में.
Yes.
100 of bees in the purple clover. Now what is clover? It is a plant. Bees, मधुमक्खियाँ, bees, small bees.
Yes. जो एक ऐसा फ्लावर है पिंक कलर का, उसमें पूरी झुंड बनाते हैं.
No, not pink, only pink. There can be purple, white or red in color also. A plant of a pea family having 3 lobed leaves. उसकी पत्तियां 3 एक साथ में lobed यानी एक साथ में having 3 lobed leaves. The flowers grow in clusters. एक साथ आते हैं. Or they may be purple. They may be in which color? They may be in
purple.
Maybe in white or red in color. 100 of bees in the purple
clover.
A plant of a pea family having 3 lobed leaves. The flower grow in clusters. They may be purple, white or red in color. Yeah. Can someone read what is the meaning of the clover?
A plant of the pea family having 3 lobed leaves. The flower grow in clusters. They may be purple, white or red in color.
Okay. Very good. 100 of butterflies on the lawn. 100 of butterflies on the lawn. Okay, hundreds of butterflies on the lawn. Now, butterflies, you all know the butterflies, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, we know butterfly.
They are different in colors. Many colors, designs they have.
Multicolor or red color, orange
what
color.
What is it called in Hindi?
Titli.
Titli, very nice. And in Marathi, it is called Fulpakru. And in English, it is called butterfly. There are hundreds of butterfly on the lawn. Now, what is lawn? An area of a short grass, regularly grown grass. Area of a short area with a small grown. ज्यादा नहीं, थोड़े छोटे छोटे घास होते. देखो स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है आपको.
Yes, ma'am.
An area of a short, regularly grown grass, especially near the house or a park. घर के सामने या फिर किसी पार्क के सामने. जैसे पार्क में खेलने जाते हो तो भी वहां पर गार्डन में जाते हो तो भी छोटे छोटे ग्रास रहते हैं ना, जहाँ हम खेल सकते हैं. तो वैसे ही hundreds of butterfly on the lawn. Anybody read what is the meaning of lawn from the
Okay. An area of short, regularly grown grass, especially near the house or park.
Yeah, very good. Lawn, an area of a short, regularly grown grass. Regularly and छोटे छोटे हमेशा आने वाले grass, especially near the house or park.
Park.
But only one mother, the
The
wide
wide
world over. सब 100 है, सब 100 है. Stars 100 है, shells 100 है, birds 100 है, lambs 100 है poem में, dewdrops 100 है, bees 100 है, butterflies 100 है. Poem में poet बता रहे हैं there are many things, hundreds of things in the world. Yes or no?
Yes, 100
बहुत
of
सारी चीज, 100 of things in the world, but we have only one mother,
the wild world.
the wild world over. हर जगह 100 चीजें, 100 से बढ़कर चीजें होती है. There are many things in the world. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, पर मम्मी एक ही होती है. Mother is only one, and the world, wild world over. Only we have one mother. Many things are there. Mummies are 100? No.
Mummy
But
are one only.
you can see butterfly 100. You can see stars 100. You can see many things.
Shells.
But you have only one mother who loves us, who takes care of us. Yes or no?
When we are baby.
Yeah, when we are baby. Till the end she takes us care. बड़े होने तक देखते हैं ना मम्मी हमें.
Yes,
बहुत अच्छे से प्यार करते हैं, हमें अच्छा अच्छा खाना देते हैं. हमारे
Yes,
जब हम बीमार होते हैं, when we are sick, क्या करते हैं मम्मी? हमारा बहुत क्या केयर करते हैं. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Only a person who takes care of us. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
The poet is also telling us that many things in this world are 100, but we have a person has only one mother, and the wide world over. Okay, now we'll see just this poem again. This poem is written by George Cooper. He is an American poet born in New York City. Yeah. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. Repeat. 100 of stars
in the pretty sky.
Yes.
100 of shells on the shore together.
Hundreds of shells on the shore together. Very good.
100 of lambs. 100 of birds that go singing by.
100 of birds that go singing by.
100 of lamps in the sunny weather.
Sunny weather. 100 of lamps in the sunny weather.
सब lamps खेलते दोपहर में.
Hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn. Now see, 100 of 1 minute. Wait, what I'm telling you, please listen. Okay.
Yes,
100 of dewdrops to greet the dawn. Greet the dawn यानी पोएट कहना चाहते हैं इसमें कि ड्यू ड्रॉप्स जो है ये डॉन को ग्रीट करने आते हैं. ग्रीट करना यानी हम जैसे गुड इवनिंग, गुड आफ्टरनून ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, जब बड़े लोग हमसे मिलते हैं तब ऐसे लग रहा है वो ड्यू ड्रॉप्स ग्रीट करने आए हैं डॉन को. ड्यू ड्रॉप्स क्या करने आए हैं? ग्रीट करने आए हैं. 100 of bees in the purple clover. 100 of bees in the purple clover. A clover is a plant. Okay, it has 3 lobes. 3 पत्तियां उसकी एक साथ leaves. The flowers grow in clusters. They may be purple, white, or red in color. Hundreds of butterflies on the lawn. A lawn, an area of a short, regularly grown grass, especially near the house or a park.
But only one mother.
The world wide
Over.
Okay, from the textbook, the poem is like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will read the poem. Nobody will read the poem first. First I will read, then I will give you the chance to read. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Poem number 20. Only one mother. 100 of stars in the pretty sky. 100 of shells on the shore together. 100 of birds that go singing by. Hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather. Hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn. Hundreds of bees in the purple clover. Hundreds of butterflies on the lawn. But only one mother, the wide world over, by George Cooper. Okay, now can someone read the poem?
Ma'am, can I read, Aditya?
Yes, read, Aditya.
Poem number 20. Poem number 20. Only one mother. 100 of stars in the pretty sky. 100 of shells on the shore together. 100 of birds that go singing by. 100 of lamps in the sunny weather. 100 of dewdrops to greet the dawn. 100 of bees in the purple clover. 100 of butterflies on the lawn. But only one mother, the wide world.
Very nice. Very good. Very nice. Very good, dear. Can someone else read the poem?
Miss, I can read, Shamika.
Yes, read, Sanika. Read.
Only one mother, hundreds of the stars in the pretty sky, hundreds of the shells on the shore together, hundreds of the birds that go to singing by.
100 of birds से the नहीं है वहाँ पे बेटा. The is not there.
100 of stars in the flat sky. 100 of small on the shore together. 100 of birds that
100 नहीं, hundreds. Hundreds
of birds that go singing by. 100 of land in the sunny
weather.
100 of
Good morning, teacher.
Yes, read.
drops of
Good morning, teacher.
the
Yes.
100 of wigs in the purple color. 100 of
Clover. It is not color. It is clover. क्या है वो? Clover. CLOVER. Clover.
purple clover.
Teacher, I am reading.
Of beautiful on the land, but only one mother, the wind
Wide.
over.
World.
Miss, I can read, Shamika.
Yes,
Miss, I am
read.
reading.
Only
Yes, one person only will read now.
Miss, I want to read.
Yes, read.
Only one mother, hundreds of stars in the pretty sky, hundreds of cells on the shore together, hundreds of birds that go to singing by, hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather, hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn, hundreds of bees in the purple clover, hundreds of the butterfly on the lawn, but only one mother, the wide world over.
Yes.
Miss, I am reading. Miss
Yes,
Priya
read.
Bal.
This is the last person to read now.
Miss
Bas,
Priya
only
Bal
one
read.
reading. Yes, read.
Lesson number 20. Only one mother. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. 100 of cells on the shore together. 100 of birds that go singing by. 100 of lamps in the sunny weathers. 100 of drop to grade the drought. 100 of bears in the purple
Clover.
Hundred of butterfly on the town
Lawn.
belong, but only one mother the wide world cover.
Over. Now, after reading the poem, you have to say the name of the poet. That is George Cooper. Yeah, very good. Now, see some questions there are in the textbook. We shall also see them, what they have given us. Now, I will read. You will listen what I am explaining to you, okay? Make a list of rhyming words in the poem. Add one more rhyming word of your own to each pair. Now, what is rhyming words? The words with the same sound, right? Yes. Now, from the poem, you have to write. They have given us to write rhyming pair and one you have to add of your own. एक अपना खुद का लिखना है आपको. So, I have written there, see. From the poem, sky and by. And one I have added, that is cry. Okay. Sky, by, cry. Okay. Next one from the poem, together,
Weather.
together and weather is from the textbook. And third one we have added, that is leather. Together, weather, leather. Okay. Now the next one, lawn, dawn. Now lawn and dawn are from the textbook. I have added fawn. What I have added? Fawn. Sky. I will see the rhyming words. Sky, by, cry. Cry we have added on our own.
Sky by
Together.
together, weather,
Leather. Lawn, dawn,
ground,
fawn. Now, what is fawn? Try you know. Leather also you know. What is fawn? Baby of the deer. That is called fawn. Okay. Come on, read. Someone read the rhyming words from the poem.
Sky by cry. Together,
Very good.
leather. Lawn, dawn, fawn.
Very nice.
Miss Ayam, question number 1. Make a listen.
Next, what examples of plentiful things does the poet give? What examples of plentiful things does the poet give? The question is asked, what are the examples that poet has given that are in hundreds, that are plentiful? Plentiful means many things. Okay, now the poet has given the example. The example of plentiful things given by the poet are the stars, 100 of stars. Plentiful means बहुत सारा. Stars, shells, birds, lamps, dewdrops, bees, and butterflies. So the poet has given the examples of plentiful things are stars, shells, birds, lamps, dewdrops, bees, and butterflies. Come on, someone read the question and answer. Only one person, chance by chance, okay?
What example of plentiful the examples of plentiful things given by the poet are the stars, shells, birds, lambs, dewdrops, bees, and butterflies.
Okay, very good. We'll go to the third question now.
Second question.
Yeah. What does, that is in the screen, but actually it is a question number.
Best.
What does the poet, yes, second number question. What does the poet say that the dewdrops greet the dawn? In the early morning, the moisture in the air settles on the leaves or plants in the form of water drop, known as dewdrop. As this happens, the sun rises. It seems that as if the dewdrops are greeting the dawn. What does the poet say? Why the dewdrops are greeting? Early in the morning, When there is moisture in the air, it settles on the leaves or plants in the form of water drop, known as dew drops, जैसे ओस की बूंदें. As this happens before the sun rises, it seems as if the dew drops are greeting the dawn. ये जब होता है तभी dawn का समय होता है, the time immediately before the sun rise. Okay, come on, read. Who will read?
Miss, I can read. Why does the poet say that the dewdrop greet the dawn? Answer. In the early morning, the monster in the air settles on the leaves or plants in the form of water drops known as dewdrops. As this happens before the sun rises, it seems as if the dewdrops are getting the dawn.
Very nice. Okay. Do you agree with the poem? I will read first. I will explain you. Then I will ask you to read. Okay. Do you agree with the poet's thoughts? Why? Yes, I agree with the poet's thoughts because I have experienced mother's love. And I know for sure that no one in the world will love me as much as my mother does. I also feel that every child needs a mother. She is irreplaceable. What is poet telling us? Are you agreeing that many things are there in the world, but we have only one mother who takes care of us as we are small? Nobody can love her as she loves us. Also, every child needs a mother, and she is irreplaceable. Irreplaceable means her place nobody can take. Her place nobody can take. That is irreplaceable. Okay, come on, read.
Yes, can read. Do you agree with the poet's thoughts? Why? Answer. Yes, I agree with the poet's thoughts because I have experienced mother's love and I know for sure that no one in the world will love me as much as my mother. I also feel that so every little mother. She is
Irreplaceable.
Yes.
Okay. Now it is time for our evaluation. अभी हम देखेंगे आपको पोएम कितनी समझ में आई है. Okay. So what is the poem about, children?
The poem about the mother.
It is about our mother. It is about the mother. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Who is the poet of the poem?
George.
Yes. George Cooper.
George Cooper.
He is an American poet
in New York.
Yeah. Okay, give me some rhyming words from the poem.
Bye, bye, cry, bye, bye, cry, London.
Yes, very good. Clover, over, lawn, dawn, together, weather. Yeah, very good. Very nice.
Miss Mother.
Mother. No, mother, no. Weather. Together, weather. Together, weather. Dawn, lawn. Okay, we have seen the see. Once again, I will show you the rhyming words.
Together.
Sky, by, cry. Together, weather, leather. The third pair, the third word, rhyming word, it is added by our own thing. Okay, it's not in the poem. Together, weather, leather. Lawn, dawn, fawn. Okay, now it is time for your homework. Okay, now what homework you will write? You will write 10 lines about your mother. About your mother. Please take a screenshot of it. So you have to write your homework. Okay?
Yes.
What homework you have to write, dear?
Write it.
About our mother.
You have to write 10 lines about your mother. So, okay. I hope you all have understood the poem.
Yes, Miss. I understand.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, very good. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
No, miss.
Yeah, very good. Very nice. And thank you so much. Okay. So take care of yourself. Whenever you're going out, please wear mask and go out. Wash your hands again and again. Okay. Take care of yourself. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.